All right.
because they disappear already.
So we're eating it.
But we have another type of palm trees which is very easy to grow. At the 3 year is ready to export.
Right.
It's ready to cut it down, cut it all the trees, and then for the machine.
How old would this one be then?
Probably they have 5 or 6 years, maybe more.
Right.
Yeah. They take a long time to grow. That kind of very special one, but
Yeah.
it's very. Sleeping here, and this trunk is his house. They sleep in at night.
Oh, I see it, yeah.
They're coming down again.
It's moving.
Yeah.
Wilson.
They
There's
got-
where is it? I can't see it now. Hang on a second. There's a mound over here with a hole in it on the centre. It's it here. Large mound. Just over there. See it?
Oh wow.
Wow.
Big one.
Bigger than a house.
Just go over by it, Jonathan.
Yeah, quick that is insects.
Is there? That's what I've done. Yeah. Perhaps again a quick one with the still camera as well. Would be good for this.
It's got a cliff, isn't it?
Hmm?
Like a cliff.
Yeah, it is, isn't it? It's amazing.
Do you see the mark of the water?
Yes.
Why it's coming? That is another ceiba tree. This tree should have like 400 years old.
Bigger than anything we've got.
They're much bigger, like my hand, you know.
Yeah,
Big,
we've seen big
yeah.
ones.
That's tarantula.
Dad had one on his arm when he went to North America.
Here is very difficult. I never saw the tarantula in this area.
Do you see many big spiders?
Yeah. Also, we have bird-eating spiders. We have.
You see a big one when you paint it?
Yeah. It's mostly live in the ground, but here it's difficult to find it because we call it walking palm tree. Look there. We'll try
Whatever is it?
What is it?
Alacran.